Hey guys, I've just got a bagel in the toaster waiting for it to pop because I need to eat quickly before I go out with my mum, sister and my sister's best friend. So most of you probably know that my sister was supposed to be getting married 2020, so obviously COVID happened, that couldn't happen, and then it got postponed twice last year. Then she had a baby, so we had to postpone it. Fucking hell. Oh my god, I just leant on the gas and I thought I was going to set myself on fire. What an idiot. Yeah, we basically had to postpone her wedding quite a few times, and because she's had a baby, she needs a new wedding dress. So today we are going to a bridal store in central London for her to try and hopefully find a new dress, which is very exciting. Then I'm going to work in London for the rest of the day because I've got a gig tonight, which is so exciting. So one of my favourite artists, Joseph Salvat, I've been a fan of his since 2013. Oh my god, I love him so much. He was doing some gigs this spring and I got tickets, really excited about it, and then unfortunately, I think because of COVID, he had to cancel it. So instead he's going to be doing these like live shows, like a live gig online, like virtually, but because it's in London, he was like, well, I might as well have some people down for it. So yeah, I was really lucky enough to like win tickets or like enter to get tickets really quickly. So I think he was the last gig we went to pre-COVID, like the February before lockdown, and I think, my memory's so bad, but I think he's the first gig since COVID as well. So I'm just so excited to see him live and perform his new album tonight. Excited for a girly day of trying on wedding dresses with my sister. I'll show you where we go. Probably have some lunch after. It'll be a good day. Probably well boring chat, but we obviously get covered in cat hair all the freaking time because Maurice is so goddamn hairy, and we were just getting through so many of those like roller pads, and I hated it because it's just such a waste and so much like rubbish for the bin. So we looked into like reusable like lint rollers, hair removers, and we found this one and we've been using it for a week now. I wanted to recommend. It's like washable. I'll show you. So I've just rolled myself. There is so much gross cat hair on that. Wash it with some like soap, and all the hair comes off. That is so rank, but amazing. We've got a sponge that we use for stuff like this. Obviously it takes a little bit longer than your usual sticky pads, but it's better for the environment, so I'm all for it. Also, you don't need to wait for it to dry before it gets like sticky again. We are now at Wed to Be, looking at some dresses for my sister. I've got a good feeling about this. Oh god, it's really dark. Yeah, I've got a good feeling about this. How gorgeous is this dress? Wed to Be is quite good because all of them are kind of ready to be bought and taken home today, and depending on sizing. Well, there's so many, it's so hard to tell on the hangers. Yesterday was so fun. The gig was amazing. Sister got her dress. Just a lovely day. I'm hoping I'll be able to vlog a tiny bit more today, but yeah, this morning I realised I'm out in London every day this week. It is a lot, and they're all for like 1 to 2 hours. They're like not full days, so yeah, there's a lot going on this week. Getting ready to go out because I'm on the hunt at the moment for my wedding day perfume, and it's something I've been getting so excited about because I love fragrance. I talk about fragrance all the freaking time. I love how nostalgic I feel with fragrances, and how some of them, like if I smell them, they'll take me back to a certain time. So I'm just very, very excited about finding my fragrance for my wedding day. I had some perfumes that I love and was thinking about wearing, but the more I thought about it, the more I thought it'd be nice to have one that I've never worn before, like a new special fragrance that if I wear loads around this time will forevermore take me back to our wedding day, rather than one that is kind of my signature scent and that I've been wearing for years, and that is just basically I want a special fragrance for my wedding. So I've been doing loads of research. I've been like buying some fragrance sample sets. I can show you some of those, but today I'm visiting a Jo Malone store. I'm going to the one in Covent Garden because I think they've got a bespoke wedding fragrance like scent experience where you can go in there and they can like talk you through their fragrances, and then you can end up finding your wedding day fragrance. So yeah, I'm doing that today. I thought it would be nice to take you along with me in case any of you love Jo Malone and are looking for a special fragrance too. So I need to leave in like 10 minutes. I'm going to get my shoes on, I'm going to pack my bag. I'm in Covent Garden. Beautiful day in London today. Here I am. I don't think I've actually been in this store before. It's huge. All dedicated to Jo Malone as well.
Going into more of the sort of classic florals, you've got the jasmine, sambac and marigold.
That was such a lovely experience. They've got like personalised engraving in that store as well, so you can get your fragrance engraved. So I got mine engraved. I'm not going to show you that until after the date, but yes, so excited. I found my wedding perfume. I'm on the hunt now for something. Wait, what way am I going? So I'm on the hunt for a cannelli, one of those pastries I discovered recently, and I think they stock some in Monmouth coffee, so I'm going to have a look. Fingers crossed. London is busy today.
And they do different flavours?
Yeah, I got the goods. I found the cannelli. I'm so excited. It's a vanilla flavour, which I haven't tried before. But now I have to rush back home because our dishwasher broke. So we've got someone coming around today to try and fix it. And G's in the office now, so I need to rush home so I'm there in time. But yeah, the little detour I think is going to be definitely worth it. So having such a lovely day. I'm home, just had a quick sandwich. And I've put the dishwasher on to see if it like is still not draining just before this guy comes. If this guy even comes, I have no idea. I'm so excited about my Jo Malone fragrances. I'm gonna actually, I think, do a blog post and a reel on that whole experience, because anyone could go into the store and have that kind of wedding scent experience, which is just so nice. They do personalization in store, so I got them both engraved. I chose 2 fragrances and I'm gonna layer them up to create my own like unique one, which is so exciting. And one of them I think G might even wear on the day as well. I do have a couple more fragrance options that I'm going to show you in another, probably next week's vlog, by another brand that I absolutely love and have like recently discovered. But yeah, I smell so good right now. I am going to take my laptop into the living room and edit tonight's weekly vlog that is going up, do the thumbnail, and I might edit the reel I filmed this morning today as well. How are you doing, Maltweets? Why the long face? You just want to go outside, don't you? Maurice got into bed with me this morning and he laid next to me and just fell asleep like next to my pillow, which was so cute. You were taking up so much room. How could someone so little take up so much room? I'm just cooking dinner and completely forgot that M&S this week very kindly sending me the ingredients for a vegan recipe, like a plant-based recipe. They've got loads of new nice recipes on their website for free, so if you're like stuck for dinner ideas, take a look on their website. I think I chose aubergine chickpea bake. So I've got all the ingredients here. This is so cool. This is everything I need for the recipe. These look so good. Easy chili, easy garlic, and rose harissa. Got some gorgeous looking honey there. Coconut pot, plant kitchen yogurt. I can't wait to try that. Chickpeas, pomegranates, tomatoes, aubergine, and some mint. I am really excited about this. It is Monday morning and I am having a bit of a laptop morning. Again, a very busy, exciting week this week. I've just looked at my diary and I have got my wedding makeup trial on Thursday. Oh my god, I'm so excited for that. I'm having it at home, so it'll be nice to like have my makeup done. I'll kind of try and do my hair nicely, and then I can try my dress on as well with my makeup. But yeah, I'm going to be showing that in next week's vlog. But yeah, this morning I'm just at my laptop. Oh my god, so tired. I have got the contact sheet from my shoot with my photographer a couple of weeks ago. I'm just trying to choose the pictures I want her to send through so I can start making content around them. I've got some really cool content ideas planned for these, so yeah, I'll show you how I do this. So it's literally a contact sheet with all the pictures on it. So I just kind of go through, and what I normally do is like highlight the number of the picture that I like, and I will screen grab that like mini image with the number and then go through that edit and see if I can cut down any more, because I know that it's kind of hard to see, like there might be some similar ones. It's kind of hard to tell until you've got them all side by side. But we've got some really cool pics. I'm really excited about these ones. Oh my god, I think that looks so freaking cool just in the kitchen. I wanted like, yeah, high flash, high contrast, kind of just like suit-esque. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this. I'm then gonna cook lunch. Start cooking it at 11 o'clock because it takes like 45 minutes, and I've got my therapy session, my second session today at 1. I need to leave at like 12:30. Yeah, so I'm making this M&S, nice aubergine and chickpeas. I'm so tired today. I need to get an early night tonight. I think I'm going to say to G I need to be in bed and asleep by like 10. So this is the vegetarian and vegan recipes on M&S's website. Their campaign is called Sparking Change, and it's just to get the nation to eat more vegan and veggie foods. And also cut down on food waste. So yeah, look how good some of these recipes look. I really love the look of that. I really love the look of, where is it? The Mexican inspired beans on toast looks so good. But the one I've chosen is this one. Oh my god, it looks so good. Sticky harissa baked aubergine with crispy chickpeas. I am gonna make this for lunch today. Serves 4, so I can have it for lunch for the rest of the week as well. So the aubergines are in the oven. I've just added drained chickpeas and cherry tomatoes in here. You can't see me very well, can you? And then this is going to bake at the same time. I need to add in chili and garlic. It's going to be spicy. Oh, this is just so much quicker than chopping it all yourself. Here we go. That's going in as well. One of my favourite ways to use rose harissa, and how I will definitely be using this little tin up, is make some scrambled eggs, make some toast. On the toast with butter, spread rose harissa, and then put the scrambled eggs on top. Oh my god, it's so good. Or you could just add a dollop of rose harissa in with the eggs or on the side. It just, yeah, it takes scrambled eggs on toast to a whole another dimension. Here we go, guys. What a fancy lunch. Got some coconut yogurt, mint, pomegranate. It looks amazing. And I've got this for tomorrow as well. I had my therapy appointment. Oh wait, guys, I need to show you something. Let me turn the light on. I had my therapy appointment earlier, and on the way there I walked past a front garden that had something in it that I've been looking to get and trying to find for ages. So on my way back, oh my god, I look so red right now. This lighting is not good. So on the way back, I made a note of what house it was, went back that way and knocked on the door, and I was like, can I have that please? The woman was like, yeah. I'll show you. I wanted one of these for our wedding and I couldn't find one. They were all really expensive online, and like I know you can get these for free, but on Gumtree and FreeCycle and Facebook Marketplace I just couldn't find any. So I was so excited to get this. Maurice is going to demonstrate. It is a wooden palette, but it's a perfect size for either seating plan, order of the day, or yeah, just a welcome sign maybe. So I'm going to let this dry out because it's just a tiny bit wet, and then I'm going to like sand it and varnish it and yeah, get it ready. It is super heavy, so I had to get a cab home, but I'm really excited about it. Are you more weights? More weights? He's got his kitten face on, look. So cute. I also just wrote a blog post about wedding planning, an update, and I put a hair mask in. I put a Philip Kingsley elasticizer in because I want my hair to be super soft this week. I was going to play the PlayStation, but now I'm not. I'm going to wash my hair mask out and air wrap my hair because I've got a day in London tomorrow and I want it to be all ready for that because I've got a very early start. I need to be in central London for 8:30, so I need to leave here at like 7:30. This is the hair mask I used. It is a huge version of the Philip Kingsley elasticizer, which is absolutely one of my favourite hair masks. I do feel like it makes my hair softer than Olaplex. So yeah, I'm going to wash this out and do that now. This is our dinner tonight. This looks insane. It's huge. Potatoes, onions, carrots, cod, bit chorizo, and we've made some aioli. This is another gusto recipe.